carry fire from the mountains to the rivers. Your footprints cross the wire. We all KTLA, scattered hearts around the earth. Proud of you, we're praying for the homeland of our birth. To victory, my KTLA, I will stand with you, I will stay. Thank you for the scars you carry, for our dream of Independence Day. To victory, my KTLA, from every border, every sky, I will fight with you side by side, till our KTLA can rise. In my chest I hold a promise, every tear I turn to light, every name I softly whisper gives me courage for the fight. You are never walking lonely, we are marching in your song. From the cities to the jungle, we are many, we are strong. To victory, my KTLA, I will stand with you, I will fight with you. Thank you for the scars you carry, for our dream of Independence Day. To victory, my KTLA, from every border, every sky, I will fight with you side by side, till our KTLA can rise. I'm proud of you, I'm proud of you. Every heartbeat says your name. I'm proud of you, I'm proud of you, till freedom calls our home again. To victory, my KTLA, I will stand with you, I will stay. Thank you for the scars you carry, for our dream of Independence Day. To victory, my KTLA, from every border, every sky, I will fight with you side by side, till our KTLA can rise.